Sanad Builders and Developers. 2 BHK flats starting at just rupees 20.5 lakhs near Dodamarg Market, 500 meters from Goa Maharashtra border.
Mr. Rane, many thanks for joining us. Oxygen supply is a problem that Goa is faced with as well. What is the latest in terms of your conversation with the centre? Have you asked for a higher allocation as well, considering the fact that the caseload is going up in Goa, a very high positivity rate as well?
Hi, Shireen. The situation in Goa at the moment, we are trying to manage it with what has been allocated to us by the centre. And we are running short of close to about 8 to 10,000 metric tons of oxygen, what we require. We have taken it up with the Government of India, and hopefully they will respond positively. As you had, I was just checking the tweet of CNBC. That's a fact. Actually, the situation in Goa at the moment, the positivity rate is very high. What we are looking at is trying to handle and rationalize whatever oxygen is made available to us so that we can deal with the patients. And the situation is such is that we are trying our best to see that we have these oxygen generation plants and all which were already sanctioned earlier to get them commissioned at the earliest. And hopefully we'll be able to overcome this crisis that we are in at the moment.
Okay, so you've also asked for a higher allocation, Mr. Rane. As far as vaccine is concerned, here's Mr. Singhdeo saying that they haven't heard back from Serum, but they have managed to get 1.5 lakh doses from Bharat Biotech. How much are the orders that you've placed with both companies? What is the response so far? When do you hope to start the 18+ vaccination in right earnest?
Shireen, the Chief Minister of Goa has asked the government to place an order of approximately around 5 lakh doses. What we require, we have assured them that we'll place an order of around 10 lakh doses with AstraZeneca but Serum Institute for the Covishield. But as of now, we have not received any kind of confirmation from the company regarding the dose availability. We also tried to touch base with Bharat Biotech, but there's no firm commitment coming forth by any of the companies. And we are waiting for a revert from them so that only then can we, announce the protocol here in the state of Goa and the actually schedule for the vaccination. But we have already placed an order, but we are just waiting for a revert. We are pursuing with the respective companies. But there's been no response so far from either of the companies.
You haven't heard from either Serum Institute or Bharat Biotech, so you have no visibility or clarity on when you will be able to start vaccinating the 18+ category?
No, Shireen, at the moment there's absolutely no clarity.
बेळगाव सारखी शॉपिंग आता गोंयांत शक्य फक्त बॉम्बे बाजारांत. बॉम्बे बाजार घेऊन आयला तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो साड्यो, लग्न समारंभ आणि वेगवेगळ्या सुवाळ्या खातीर खास साड्यो. त्याच बरोबर गिफ्ट करपाक 300 रुपयांच्यान साड्यो, सिल्क साडी 900 रुपयांच्यान सुरुवात आणि लेहंगा 3000च्या रेंजी पासून सुरुवात. शिलाई आणि एम्ब्रॉयडरीची खास सोय. तर आयजूच भेट दियात बॉम्बे बाजार, 18 जून रोड, पणजी. प्राचीन आणि कलात्मक वस्तूंचो खजिनो जे तुमच्या घरात घरपण हाडटले. देवी देवतांच्यो मूर्त्यो असो किंवा पूजेचे सामान, शोपीस असो किंवा तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो शोभेच्यो वस्तू, गिफ्ट करात किंवा स्वतःचे घर सजयात. आमचे डिझायनर शॉल आणि हँडीक्राफ्ट पळोवपाक मुजरत यात. आमचो पत्तो बॉम्बे बाजार, डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर, 18 जून रोड, पणजी.
Handicraft shopping only at Bombay Bazaar.